In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube banner with Magnific AI Mobile. We'll walk through generating on-brand artwork right on your phone so you can create a clean, professional banner without complicated design tools. Start by opening Magnific AI on your device. On the home screen, look along the bottom and tap AI Suite. Then choose Generate Images to begin a fresh project for your banner. In the prompt field, describe exactly what you want the banner to look like. Include your channel's topic, the mood, a color palette, any visual elements you'd like featured, and whether you want open space for text. If you're unsure where to begin, you can tap Random to spark ideas or use Create from Template for a quick starting point you can refine. Clear, specific prompts lead to more consistent results. Before you generate, tap the Settings icon. Here you can select a creative mode that influences the overall style. Pick one that aligns with your brand, something minimal and modern, or vibrant and dramatic so the outcome feels intentional and cohesive. While you're in settings, choose how many results you'd like and set the aspect ratio. For YouTube channel art, a 16:9 ratio is a safe choice because banners display wide across different screens. If you plan to add text later, remember the most visible safe area is centered, so aim to keep important elements away from the extreme edges. When you're ready, tap Generate. Rendering can take a moment, especially if you requested multiple images. If you navigate away, that's okay. Tap Work at the bottom to review progress. Your new images will appear there as they finish. Open each result and evaluate composition, color balance, and whether there's clean space for your channel name or tagline. If one is close but not perfect, refine your prompt or switch modes and run another pass using the same steps. Small wording tweaks like asking for a simple background or a specific color often make a big difference. That's it. By moving from AI Suite to generate images, writing a focus prompt, choosing a style mode, setting results and aspect ratio, and checking the Work tab, you'll quickly create strong YouTube banner options on mobile.